Hello there. This is part 5, I think, of this tutorial, and yeah, let's continue with adding some details here. Maybe create this base here and the rest of the port here. So I'll just go to. Let me just also maybe continue expanding this a bit. Can extrude this and maybe bevel this out, make it look something like that. Now this can be like a screw here, so you can just do this. So if they want to fix or unscrew this, they can just let me see, how can we do this? I think I can use a knife tool here. Let me turn on my screen keys here so that you can see what kind of keys I'm using. So if I join this with this, something like that, I can also make the same cut here. Just need to straighten this up just a bit. Also make sure that this is a straight loop. Okay, now I can select this, extrude that in. Now I just want to make sure that this is a straight loop. It seems it is. Now we have that. Maybe you can push this in. A bit more, and maybe also add a seam right around here using the bevel tool, and extrude this along the normals to have something like that. Then yeah, I think that's good enough. I don't know how this would work, but how this would function as a screw, but yeah, sometimes you just have to add things that look good. So let's add a base here. Scale this, hit F, drag this up, scale it up again, and insert this. So you just have to use your creativity here. Now we can copy the modifiers that are on here onto this by selecting this and then this, then Control L to link the modifiers. We also have the mirror modifier, so I'm just going to disable that, and also we're getting this error because we don't have auto smooth turned on, so let's turn that on, and I can apply the scale here. Let's see how our bevel is working here. It's using angle, and the offset can be increased just a bit, have something like that. So let's push this. We can always come back to this and add more detail. I think this is too large, so I'm just going to scale it using on the X and Y plane. So to scale this on the X and Y plane, instead of scaling it in every direction, I'm just using S Shift Z to constrain the Z axis. So we have something like that. Actually, I think I can just push this down, something like that, and let's first apply the mirror for this and add a few details here. So if I select this, cursor selected, and then Shift S, add a circle, scale this down, hit F, put this through around here, then extrude that. I can Control L to select this mesh and go under face, boolean intersect, or intersect boolean, and change this to union, so that we have something like this. I need this to be in the center. I don't know why it's not in this. I don't know why it wasn't added in the center. So let me just Control L. Actually, just select this, Control plus, and then move it to the center. You know what? Let's just redo the entire steps here. So Shift S, cursor selected, and then let's add this circle. Should be in the center now. Have it filled. then extrude down, then can just push this just a little bit up, and then Control L to select it, go under face boolean intersect or intersect boolean, and yeah, make sure the operation is union. Now we have this, and just recalculate normals, and now we can select these faces, go to face, and then convert the n-gon to triangles, or triangulate the faces to have something like this, and then go back to faces and tries to quads to remove some of those n-gons. We have a lot of polygons here that we can get rid of. We don't need all of these here, so I can select these up to here, then Control L, Control M, merge to last to get rid of some of those polygons. I've also here last, something like that. We don't need again all of these, so this is just cleaning up. I think we can leave this middle one, so Alt M last, Alt M last. Do the same here. Since we have symmetry here, there is no need to do everything when we can use the mirror modifier to handle half of it. So we can delete the vertices on this side and bring back our mirror modifier, have it up, something like that, shade smooth, and let's see. Now we need to fix some of the issues we're having here with the polygon count, with the polygons. So let's see, these are too close, or we can even just merge this to this, Control L, then remove this egg loop. Then this can be merged with this at the center, have something like that, and here you can have something like this, and get rid of this edge, and then I think we can do something like this, and here like that, get rid of this edge, get rid of this edge, and let's see what else we can do. I think we can also just get rid of this side here and use the mirror modifier to handle that side as well. So I just delete that, and again add the mirror axis, add another mirror axis to that, and so let's see where else we can remove, we can reduce on the polygons, the polygon count. I think I can just join this to this, get rid of that vertex, so that this loop is continuous all the way up there. So, and for this here, we can just have that connect here. I'm using J, you can see the shortcuts I'm using here. So now get rid of that vertex or edge. I think I can slide this a bit like that, maybe, because I don't like how we have this pinching going on here. Ctrl X. Now again, recalculate normals, and you can also try merging by distance to remove any overlapping vertices if you have any. I'm also seeing an edge here that shouldn't be there. And I think I can select, let's see if I do this. We can select this edge loop, bevel it to have something like this, so that this is more integrated into the base part. So let's just get rid of these other faces. First, turn off the mirror modifier for a second and see what's going on here. Okay, so yeah, we seem to have an issue here with this edge. back on. Make sure you have clipping turned on and push these vertices inside there. Now we can get rid of this edge, and I think I need to have this cut through to there. Get rid of this edge, get rid of that, and we have something like that. So let's see. So just make sure that our bevel is working. Merge by distance. I think I still need to do some cleaning up here to make things look even better, but I guess I'll be doing that off stream, and maybe you can even smooth this edge loop a bit so that is not too sharp. Let me first turn off the bevel here. Control B, maybe reduce the polygon count to about 3 like that. Now then this vertex can be merged to that. Now then this to that, then that to that, so that we have a smoother edge there. But we have a lot of pinching here, so I can dissolve that vertex, join that to that. This should be around there. Dissolve that. Let's first remove any doubles if we have any. We had 2, so we can reduce that. Now this should go up there. So I'm just cleaning up the topology here for a second. Let's also make sure that we have auto smooth here. Okay, so this edge is good. This is good. This is also good. Yep, I don't need that vertex, that edge. It should be. See. I think I can add a loop here. Have this connect to this vertex. And I think we can also merge this to this. So yeah, I'll be continuing this from in the next tutorial. Let's first add the bevel.